Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to export to Word format in Google Docs on computer. So how to export to Word format in Google Docs on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Docs work page. To do this, just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap this File menu. Here there are several menu options. Tap the Download menu. And here there are several format options that you can export. Select Microsoft Word format. Now here the export is complete. See the results at the top right of the screen display. This is the export result. This function is to export Google Docs documents to Word format so that they can be opened and edited in Microsoft Word or similar applications. So that's it, tutorial how to share with others in Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.